Om Namah Shivaya, children. Good morning. Children, how are you all? Fine? Okay. Children, in the last week we have learned about sense organ. So hope you have revised the chapter. You have learned very well. Just slightly we will revise about that. There are 5 senses. There are 5 sense organs. What all they? They are eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Yes. Then we will learn about sense of touch. Sense of touch, and we have learned the how we get all the senses. How we get all the senses? The sense organ have thousands of nerves. These nerves pick up signals from the outside world and carry them to the brain. The brain processes the signals and sends a message back to the sense organ. That is how we get we are able to see, hear, smell, taste and feel, isn't it? Now, how we get the sense of touch? How we get the sense of touch? By the skin. Skin. Actually, what happens? The skin, when we touch anything, our skin pressed, and the nerves under the skin also pressed, and it immediately sends a message to our brain. Then the brain gives the message to the skin, and thus we feel what kind of object it is, maybe hot, cold and all these things. Now there are 2 kinds of touch, that is a good touch or a bad touch. What is good touch? When we touch something and we feel nice, warm and comfortable, we feel good touch. When we touch a bad thing, like when we feel something uncomfortable, we don't like to touch some things like knife or something, hot thing. When we feel uncomfortable, we feel afraid and unsafe. That kind of touch is called a bad touch. So we should be always away from those kind of touch. And I already told you, you just inform your parents also about that. Now we have learned, be careful about what you touch. Always be careful when you touch a knife, when you touch a scissor, when you touch a hot things, when you touch a electric points, and when you touch a plants having thorns. So these all things you have learned. Now today we are going to learn about sense of smell. Sense of smell. We get the sense of smell from our nose. Nose gives us the sense of smell. Usually when you open your lunch box during the lunch break, you all remember, many will open and they all have different kinds of food, and you get the smell, like different smell you get from the different lunch boxes, and you feel you can identify what kind of thing the child is brought. Maybe parathas, maybe pickle smell, maybe potato fry. These kinds of object gives us a smell. Maybe good smell, maybe bad smell also. All whatever it is, the smell will be different kind of, and we get this sense from your nose. How this nose gives us the smell? Actually, what happens is, there is a nerves inside our nose, and this nerves having a special ending. This nerve ending, when get the smell from outside, this picks up the smell, and this nerves immediately send a signal to the brain, and the brain reads the signal and tells us what kind of smell it is. Maybe good smell, maybe bad smell, whatever it is. It tells us if the smell is good or bad. So whatever it is, Okay, maybe flowers, perfumes, incense sticks, and fresh food smell good. The smell of rotting waste, blocked drains, and unclean toilets is foul. So we can identify nice smell, good smell, and we can identify the bad smell also. അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. We can identify good smell also, bad smell also when you smell something. So sense of smell, it is lunch break at school. All the students take out their tiffin boxes. Suddenly there is a pleasant smell. Jagat takes a deep breath. It is something he loves to eat with parathas. Many of his friends love it too. It is mango pickle. Yes, mango pickle has a nice smell it gets. Your nose helps you to smell things. The nerves in your nose have special endings that pick up the smells in the air. So the nerve endings pick the smell from the outside, from the air. The nerves immediately send a signal to the brain. The brain reads the signal and tells you what kind of smell it is. Same procedure, okay? The all different sense organs have the sense nerves. Same it is having in the nose also. There is a nerve endings. These nerve endings pick the smell from outside and it immediately gives a message to the brain. Brain reads the signal and tells us what kind of smell it is. It tells us if a thing smells good or bad. Flowers, perfumes, incense sticks, and fresh food smell good. The smell of rotting waste, blocked drains, and unclean toilets is foul. Isn't it? Now let us be sensitive. Let us be sensitive means the things towards we should be sensitive. If the person cannot see, hear, or speak, if the person cannot see, we should be always goes to sensitive towards these things. Why? Because when the person cannot see, we feel to help the person. Some others might have lost a limb because of a disease or an accident. Many have lost their limb, like legs or hands they lost due to an accident maybe, or by birth, or maybe by birth they don't have leg or hands. So when one sense is weak, that means these person are weak with one sense. Maybe they cannot feel, they cannot hear, they don't have the ability to hear. So when the one sense is weak, the other sense will be more. Like if the person cannot hear, they can be smell good. So someone who cannot see may have a sharp sense of hearing. The person who cannot see, they have a sharp sense of hearing maybe. So by that they can improve their senses. Like they can adjust with that sense, or whatever sense is working properly, they use those senses properly. Vikas goes to school and uses the Braille script to read. What do you mean by Braille script? A script which is used to write or read when the person cannot see. The person who cannot see, they use the Braille script to read and write. Just see here, I showed in the video, it is there. This is known as a Braille script. The person who cannot read, who cannot see, they used to read and write by using Braille script. Apart from studies, he is good at singing too. Who? Vikas. Vikas is very good in studies. Other than studies, he is good in singing. He has participated in many singing competitions. His music teacher says that he learns tunes very quickly. His music teacher says that he learns the tunes very quickly. We must be sensitive to the needs of the differently abled. it is important to help them to be independent. So why we are sensitive? Because we feel to help these differently abled people. So the people who cannot see, who cannot hear or speak, those who don't have hands or legs, they lose their hands or legs, they are known as differently abled people, and we should be sensitive towards these people, because not to make them independent, actually to make them independent. Otherwise what will happen? They always be dependent on others. We should not do like that. We should help them, but try to make them independent also, so that they can do their work their own. They don't want to depend on others. So there are this chapter is clear to you. If any doubt, you can call me and ask me. There are two new words: nerves and Braille. Other new words I have already given. In the textbook it is given nerves and Braille. So what is nerves? Thin wire-like tubes in our body through which signals and messages are exchanged between the brain and the different parts of the body. Braille is the system of printing in which letters of the alphabet are represented by raised dots so that they can be felt by the fingers. So the person who cannot see, they use this Braille script because it is a raised dot. They just touch with the finger and feel the letters, maybe A, B, C, D, all those letters. All the scripts are there in Braille. Let us discuss the question answer which is given in the textbook. So first one is tick the correct answer. First one, nerves pick up dash from the outside world and carry them to your brain. Nerves pick up signals from the outside world and carry them to your brain. Second one, do not touch electric points as you might get dash. Why we should not touch electric points? Do not touch electric points as you might get electric shock. An electric shock. The dash in your nose help to pick up smells in the air. What is there in the nose which picks up smell from the air? Nerve endings. The nerve endings in your nose help to pick up smells in the air. Next, filling the blanks. Sense organs contains thousands of dash nerves. Second one, the dash covers the body. The skin covers the body. Third one, a touch can be a dash or a dash. A touch can be a good touch or a bad touch. Fourth one, people who cannot see read with the help of the dash script. People who cannot see read with the help of the Braille script. Is it clear? Next is question answer. Why are sense organs important? Sense organs help human beings and animals to know the outside world, find food and escape from danger. How do our sense organs work? Our sense organs have thousands of nerves. These nerves pick up signal from the outside world and carry them to the brain. The brain processes the signals and send a message back to the sense organs. How does a good touch make you feel? A good touch makes us feel nice, warm and comfortable. Next question is, why do your elders tell you not to touch certain things? Sometimes touching something carelessly can be dangerous. We may get hurt. So, our elders tell us not to touch certain things. Is it clear? Okay. So, you have to learn these question answers. Learn it properly. Okay. So, I will send this question answer in your WhatsApp. You have to write in your notebook. Learn it. Write and learn properly. Okay. Thank you.